Hey everyone! What if your car refuses to shift into reverse or doesn't respond when you try to engage it? Imagine being stuck in a parking lot, unable to back up. If your car is acting up like this and you've got a P0817 Starter Disable Circuit high trouble code, this could be a serious transmission or electrical issue. In this video we'll break down what this code means, symptoms, causes, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components. Let's dive in. What is P0817? The P0817 trouble code refers to an issue with the starter disable circuit. This circuit prevents the engine from starting unless the car is in park P or neutral N. If the system detects a fault, it may disable starting, prevent shifting, or cause intermittent ignition issues. Common symptoms of P0817. Car won't start in park or neutral, reverse gear doesn't engage properly. Transmission shifting issues. Check engine light is on, security warning light on some models. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the critical components that might be causing them. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0817, check these important parts. Neutral safety switch, range sensor, location. Mounted on the side of the transmission, near the gear selector linkage. Function. Ensures the car can only start in park, P or neutral, N. Starter relay and wiring location. Under the hood, inside the fuse relay box. Function. Controls power to the starter motor based on the safety switch signal. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location. Near or attached to the transmission, sometimes under the dashboard. Function. Communicates with the neutral safety switch and ECU for proper gear engagement. Ignition switch. Location. Behind the steering column where the key or push start button is located. Function. Sends power to the starter and other electrical components. Gear shift lever position sensor. Location. Inside the center console or near the transmission linkage, depends on the vehicle. Function. Detects the selected gear and sends data to the TCM. Common causes of P0817, faulty neutral safety switch. If this switch fails, the car may not start or recognize gear positions. Wiring issues or loose connections. Corrosion or damaged wires in the starter disable circuit can cause malfunctions. Defective starter relay. If the relay is bad, power may not reach the starter when turning the key. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM. A faulty TCM may misinterpret signals from the safety switch. Bad ignition switch. A worn-out switch can fail to send proper voltage to the starter circuit. How to fix P0817. Step 1. Check the neutral safety switch. Use a multimeter to test for voltage in park and neutral. Replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connections. Look for loose or corroded connectors, especially near the switch and starter relay. Step 3. Test the starter relay. Swap it with a similar relay in the fuse box to see if the issue resolves. Step 4. Inspect the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for other trouble codes that might indicate a failing module. Step 5. Check the ignition switch. If there's no power getting to the starter, the ignition switch might be faulty. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0817 code and ensure the car starts and shifts properly. The P0817 Starter Disable Circuit high code can leave you stranded if not fixed properly. By inspecting the neutral safety switch, starter relay, TCM, and wiring, you can get your car back in action. Watch these related videos next. P0500 Vehicle Speed Sensor, Malfunction, P0501 Vehicle Speed Sensor Range Performance Issue. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.